Hello beautiful, this is Kira Secret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. Well guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and share my video. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kira Secret Global, also at TikTok Kira Secret Global, Facebook Kira Secret Skincare. Yes, you can shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. All of our skincare products is there. Our instant white, our porcelain, our afghans, our Arabian sets is on the website. We also sell original branded products. Original, we also ship through cargo, okay, and also DHL to your doorstep. 4 to 5 working days at your doorstep. We are the #1, the champion. Please follow us on our new logistic page at Kira Secret Logistics. Please go to Instagram and support. Okay, I love you guys so much. Yes, today I'll be showing you guys how to boost. Some people say how to boost their shower bath, or some people say how to activate their shower bath. But that is what I want to do. Please guys, just watch this video to the end so that I can show you guys how you can do that. This is a short video. This video is not going to be long. Okay, you will see it how I will do it. There are a lot of shower baths in the market. They will write 7 days whitening, strong whitening. Guys, they don't whiten anything. You can see this one now. Okay, this one wrote easy glow, strong caviar extract, whitening shower bath. If you want me to tell you guys the truth, this cannot whiten your skin. All these things are marketing strategy. You guys know that I am Mommy Kira. I was the one that told you guys about Vitgo shower baths. You know, when it was raining, that everybody were writing 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, and all that shower bath. You understand me? Even there's so many shower baths. I'm going to put so many shower baths that is in the market that they wrote strong whitening, body whitening, some other types. I'm going to show you guys all this shower bath. I'm going to put it on the screen. My dear, they cannot whiten your skin. If not, because I don't want to go deeper. I know if I go deeper, the video will be too long. But just watch and let me show you any whitening shower bath you have in the house that they rose whitening. Please activate it. It will not whiten you. You understand me? Whitening shower bath cannot if they put it whitening, they put strong active inside. Before they will leave it in the market, before 1 month or 2 months, it will oxidize. It would oxidize because of the ingredient. You guys are not surprised that you see shower bath in the market. It will stay in the market for 3 years. The way the color is, that is how it is. I don't know if you guys understand. No whitening shower bath. Instead, there are those shower baths in the market. You need to activate it. You need to boost it. And that is why Mommy Kira is here. You know I'm the #1, the champion. I'll show you guys how to activate and boost your shower bath for yourself and for your customer. This easy glow, I'm activating it for a client. You understand me? It does not whiten at all, but it's a good moisturizing shower bath. Very good. It moisturizes the skin, it cannot whiten you. This cannot whiten your skin. If you don't activate your shower baths, or those over-the-counter shower baths in the market, you cannot get any 5-shade whitening at all. You have to activate it. Now we want to activate this shower bath. You can use any shower bath of your choice. Okay, you can buy any over-the-counter shower bath in the market. You can go to our website and get we have amazing shower bath on the website. You understand me? Yes, go to the website www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Guys, you can get the Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate. This concentrate is super effective. If you want to boost your lotion, your face cream, your mulatto soap, your shower bath, also your face soap, okay, your liquid soap, anyone, okay, you get the Secret White product. This is a complete combo. You don't have to start going to buy different type of concentrate just to activate your shower bath. Like that's why I'm showing you people how to do it, because I know some people will still ask, Mommy Kira, I want to buy the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum Concentrate and oil. How can we activate it? See, watch video so that you'll be guided. Okay, just you can see it. I want to pour it inside. This concentrate is the star of the moment. Okay, we're pouring half. Me, I put more than half. Let me don't lie to you guys. Me, I use one. Oh, you understand me? I use 1 full one to activate my product. You understand me? This is the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. This serum, you can use it to activate your face cream. If your face cream is not working, is making you to be dark, and you want to whiten your face, you want to lighten your face, put little of the Secret White Serum, concentrate and oil, activate it. Your lotion that is not working, don't throw it away. Get the Secret White Serum, concentrate and oil, mix it properly and start using, but just avoid sun. Okay, this product is the #1, the champion, super effective, very strong. I'm using it to, even though you want to produce soap, black soap, any skincare production, but the only thing is that you can't put it on your skin directly. Some people will chat me and say, Mommy Kira, which one should I use? Me, I'm using the 3 of them. That's why I can't recommend anyone for you. They all work for me. Anyone that you can afford, you buy. But me, Mommy Kira, I'm using the 3. I don't use a different type of product again. I only use serum, this serum, concentrate and oil. That is what I'm using, and my customers are coming back. If you're me, I'm putting more than half, but you can put half of it. You understand me? But it's because I'm producing for this customer. If I'm the one using it, I'm putting one on my skin. You understand me? This is the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This oil is super effective. If you want to produce your whitening or your lightening body oil, put it inside, pour it inside. You understand me? If you want to produce your knuckle oil, okay, your knuckle maintenance oil, put this oil inside. If you want to produce your body lotion, your face cream, if you want to do face cream, don't put little, okay, because it's very strong, super effective, and very active, very effective. Okay, this I'm going to use this. Everybody have this this rubber spoon. I'll just put 2. You can put more than, okay, you can put more than. You understand me? Guys, you can see, okay guys, you can see the way I'm doing it, showing you guys how to activate all this. If you want to buy all this, they're on my website. Okay, if you like, you can add your Snow White powder inside, but there's no need. But if you want extra, just put 1 tablespoon of Snow White powder inside. Okay, I say original skincare products. Please go to my website and shop. You can shop. Okay, I have so many amazing products on the website, both my product and over-the-counter products. Okay, if you perceive the smell of this product very heavily, very sweet, okay, you will start mixing. You don't need a skill blender to do this. So use your spatula or your spoon to mix everything. But if you want it more extra, like Mommy Kira, you use one bottle. Even though you want to produce 1 liter, that is 1 kg, okay, of this, you can still follow this recipe, and you will love your skin. I promise you, you will love your skin. Your skin will be so beautiful. Just exfoliate your skin. Just use scrub very well. You are good to go. You don't need to do much. You understand me? You know Mommy Kira, I'm a promise. I promise for a living. Okay, and I give amazing recipe. Guys, please like, share this video. Okay, you can use any shower bath of your choice. Go to the website at kirasecretskincare1.com. You can see how it is. The more you stay, you will love it. I promise you. You guys know I'm the #1, the champion. I love you guys so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can get our over white strong whitening shower bath. You can also get our Snow White 3 days whitening shower bath. It's on the website. Go there and buy. Okay, we saw original. See now, guys, see, my camera is not doing justice. So my camera is not doing justice. You will love your skin. Okay, go to the website and shop. Please subscribe. Like this video. Like I'll do more. Happy New Year to all my amazing subscribers. I love you guys so much. Please follow us on all of our social media platforms. Okay, and like and share my video. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. If you want to buy wholesale, please go to my website and shop wholesale. Anything you want Mommy Kira to produce for you, please chat me up if you have money to do business, and I will produce for you. God bless you. God bless your family. Thank you very much. Bye bye.